Hi guys, it's Gigi here from gigi-10.com and welcome to my channel. Now in this video, I'll be teaching you how to whitelist an email address in Yahoo Mail. Now whitelisting an email address basically means that you will be adding an email address to your approved senders list so that each time this sender sends you an email, that email will remain in your inbox rather than go to the junk folder. Now if you are interested in learning this, just continue watching the video and follow my tutorial. Now we're now here in my computer and I'm going to show you how to whitelist an email in Yahoo Mail. Now there are actually three ways to whitelist an email. The first one is if the email is in your spam folder already. The second one, if the email is in your inbox. And the third one is if you want to whitelist an email that's not even in your inbox yet. So let's go to my Yahoo Mail. So the first thing that you have to do is actually go to your Yahoo Mail and find the email that you want to whitelist. Let's just say the first one is if it's in the spam folder, and let's say this is the email that you want to whitelist. Okay, so you just have to click that and then click not spam in here. So that would automatically put that email into your inbox. So it should be here. There you go. Sorry, Joe. Now the second way is to add a contact, is an email in your inbox. So for an example, this is my sample email and you want to whitelist this. So you have to click that email and then you just go here, the three dots, and then add sender to contacts. Now just put on the name, middle name, surname, whatever you can put in there, and most important is of course the email address, and then you just save. Now all contacts that are in your contact list are whitelisted automatically. Now the third one is, let's just say you just want to whitelist an email or a domain name. So you just have to go to settings. You go click more settings and then go to filters, and then you have to create a new filter. So for this one, I'll just say email of Gigi. So just wanna filter Gigi's email, and from here you just put contains, and then you put here the email address itself. And then don't worry about this one. You select the folder you want the email address to be in. Like say if you want to put it in inbox, just put it in inbox here. But if you say you want to make a new folder for this particular person, then you can do that too by making a folder name and then putting the folder name here. But just for simplicity's purpose, I'm just gonna put inbox here, and you just have to click save, and that's done. Those are three ways to actually whitelist an email here in Yahoo Mail. Hope you actually liked the video, and please subscribe and like the video if you find value in it. Thank you, and see you in another video. Bye.